sir.
Thank you very much.
So, we would like to take some questions that are
Yeah,
there in the comments.
sure, sure.
Yes, sir. So the first question is from Yuvi Dalawat. He asks, going for masters is a tough choice. People are getting jobs, standing on their feet in that environment. Taking higher education is a tough decision because in a way that's putting me years behind others. So, what is your advice on this, sir?
See, you have to work for another at least 30, 40 years. Okay. So it doesn't matter if you are put behind or in front, or if you are starting your things 2 hours down the line, or you are starting it today. It doesn't make much of difference. It's not a short-term goal, right? Ultimately, we have to live for a long life. If you keep your good health, 90, 100, 95 is not very difficult. All right. And if you keep your good health, you keep working till then. All right. So you have some 40 years to go. So it doesn't matter. Um, See, I'll give you an example. I told you about that mango tree, Malta mango tree.
Yes, sir.
It takes 5, 6, 7 years for this plant to give the first fruit. When I joined as an assistant professor in 1994 at IIT Kanpur, and I was given the lab was in a very, very shabby state. And the first research paper from that lab came in the year 2000. Okay, 5 to 6 years. But those 5 to 6 years I got delayed in my research profile. But fine, I was working on it. I was strengthening my roots there, right? And
Right,
once
sir.
the lab was functional, then you quoted that 139 research papers are there. When I joined this IIT Kanpur, I had 14 papers in my bag. So 125 papers came in from 1994 to 2017, which is reasonably okay. People do much better than that. That is fine. That is fine. But it's reasonably okay if I can in 20 years if I can produce some 125 or six per year average for physics people, chemistry people. Yeah, they publish many more, but for physics people, it's reasonably fine, reasonably okay. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about that. Do what you like. Do in which your mind works best. Do what interests you. Put your best effort there. Mind, health, body, everything, time, everything. Put behind it and have a very, very deep rooted your base. And then the tree which will stand will be very high and it will give a lot of fruits and everyone will be happy with you.
So the years don't matter. The determination to reach the goal matters here.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
So I hope that answers this question and many doubts of other people too by your answer. So the next question is from Balbir Yadav. He asks, Sir, I start doing something, but while I'm amidst it, I start wondering if there is something better I could be doing instead of this, and this degrades my focus and willingness. Any advice on this, sir?
Yeah, right. So it's a parallel processing. It should be a parallel processing. You do what you are doing. Okay. Don't leave it in between. Huh? And if you can do better than that, then definitely you can do this also. All right. So if you have started, if you have gone into it, complete it. But at the same time, if something else comes to your mind, something better comes to your mind, put it in the agenda list and keep thinking on it and work on it. It's so simple.
Right,
So
sir.
simple. So simple.
So you really explain things in so simple ways that it is easy to understand. Like anyone can understand it, your explanations. So I hope that answers this question. The next question is, Sir, in this era where everyone flaunts of their own achievements, it's hard to challenge the common chosen path and follow the heart. How to have a spirit of taking challenges?
That depends on how much confidence you have in yourself. Okay. If you believe in yourself, if you believe that yes, you are unique, you have certain things that others do not have, then you can do it. then you can do it. Then you can put your efforts into it, your time into it, your mind into it. You will focus into it, and you will know that today or tomorrow it will give results. When I was doing concept physics, everyone, my colleague, and all my well-wishers were discouraging me after initial 1 or 2 years. First, they discouraged that, oh, book writing is not a job of young people. You should gain some experience. For some at least 15, 20 years, you gain experience and then write the book. What is this? You have just joined this job, and in 5 years you have started writing the book at the in 30s, your early 30s. So that was it. But finally, that when I no, I am doing it. So after 6 months, people started asking, "कहाँ तक पहुँचे?" Okay. So I said, no, 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 no. I was just planning. I was just thinking. I was just trying to formulate the sequence and other things. Oh, 6 months, and you are still formulating the things. Oh, all right. So 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, everyone was discouraging, and they were all my friends. They were all my well-wishers. It was not that they were taunting me. No, they were thinking that I'm wasting my time, and they wanted to stop me doing that. So, this was going on, going on. So the chosen path was to join some coaching institute and teach there together with the college teaching and make money. That was the chosen path, normally chosen path. Okay, people, that was the tradition. All good teachers who had some reputation of good teaching used to go for coaching institutes here and there in Patna. Okay, that
Okay,
was
sir.
a standard way of thinking. But then I, no, 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 I will not do that. I will not do that. I will write a book. And I never knew that this book is going to pay me a royalty. Okay, so I put 8 years of it. See the patience.
Oh my
I told
God.
you, I told you those parameters, those A1, A2, A3, this patience is a parameter, and you to keep the value correct so that you don't land up into imaginary routes. All right. So the 8 years I without with all kinds of discouragement from the surrounding, all kinds of negative comments from my best friends. All right. I kept doing it, kept doing it, kept doing it. And after 8 years, I got my concepts of physics published in 1992. So that is it. Don't worry about what people say. Don't worry about everyone is doing that and I'm not doing that. See, the risks are always there. You cannot control futures, right?
Yes, sir.
We are not gods. We cannot control future. Who knew that Corona will be there?
Yes, sir.
We cannot control the future. Don't worry about that too much. Give your best efforts in whatever you think that yes, you can do that. And if you do a honest analysis, the chances are that it will give good results.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, our next question is, what's the moment of your life you're most proud of?
This particular moment I'm living.
So,
Every moment that you live, you should be proud of it. Every moment you live in such a way that everyone can say, "Oh, this is the life. This is how the life should be lived," and you be proud of your every moment, the present, present moment.
sir, I'm sure you're a true inspiration for all the youngsters out there. Like even myself, all my friends and everyone who is watching you, who has studied from you. You're really an inspiration, sir.
Oh, thank you very much.
Sir,
Thank
next
you.
question is, so how can we motivate ourselves to face the challenges we face, as many of us get demotivated to face challenges too easily? Okay, I think that's a similar type of question.
Right, right, right.
Yes, sir.
See, what happens is in our system, in our surrounding, the kind of training our mind gets from our families, our schools, our colleges, our friends is not giving you the confidence that you can do it. Why
Right, sir.
people put small children into tuitions? Class 6 student going into tuition, class 3 student going into tuition, class 10 student going into tuition. Why? Because the parents think that you are not capable of doing excellence, achieving excellence without help.
Right, right, sir.
So this phenomena, every time you are told that you are not capable of doing anything of yourself, you are not capable of doing anything from yourself. You don't have those things. You don't have the skills. You cannot do. You cannot do. Therefore, you need tutors. Therefore, you need help. Therefore, you need Google. Therefore, you need this. Therefore, so many times, thousands of times, this has been continuously pumped into our mind that we have really thinking, we have started thinking, we always think that we cannot do it, we cannot do it. And if we try to do it and initially we do not get the success, we said, yes, I know that I cannot do it. So that's the kind of inner thing goes on, and that demotivates.
Right,
That,
sir.
come out of this. It's never late. It's never late. You have been trained for 20 years that you are good for nothing. But now you tell yourself that no, 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 these are all foolish things. I am unique. I can do it. I have the skills. I will acquire the skills. I have the spirits. I will acquire the skills. It will take time. Fine. I am starting very late. I am starting at the age of 18. I am starting at the age of 16. I am starting at the age of 20. No matter. No matter. I still have to live 60 more years or 70 more years or 80 more years. I will start it now. And tell yourself that you are capable. Every morning you get up and go to the mirror and say that, yes, I am capable. And you will be. And you will be.
So self-motivation and self-confidence play all the keys here.
Exactly. Exactly.
Thank you, sir. So there's a question about NAST.
Yeah.
Can we take part in NAST now?
Vijay, just give me 10 seconds. I have to put this charger into it. The battery is going low. Just,
Sure, sir. Sure,
just
sir.
10 seconds. Just 10 seconds.
Sure, sir. A gentle reminder to the audience that you can put your questions in the comments still.
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So, so the question is, can we take part in NAST now? If not, how can we take part in it? And is there any criteria to join it?
Yeah, this year it is all over. Only the finals are there. 2021, definitely. All students, anywhere. We have two stages, schools and colleges, but we have combined everything. We have done everything together. So wherever you are, in whatever stream, you can take part in 2021. I don't know where it will be announced, but normally it is announced in the month of July, right? Generally July, August. So be careful. Next July, August, you can write to me on my email. So if there is a website, most probably we will have it on a website, because this year we have gotten a lot of experience for ourselves. Till now we were doing it physically, but this year we had created a website, and then we have done it in that mode to start with, and after that we went for that live house experiments. Okay, so next time probably we will, even if everything is all right, we will do the physical meet also, but we will also include this at least a screening round on the website. So we will announce somewhere, so people can write to me. People can write to me at hcvarma@iitk.ac.in. You can share with your audience, and they can write to me
Yes,
sometimes in July, and I will let them know.
thank you, sir. So I hope that answers the question, and there'll be many more entries turning up next year after this, sir.
Sure.
So we'll take the last question for today.
Yeah.
The question is: so people who choose theoretical science struggle economically, especially in our country, until and unless we achieve success. So how can we balance things, as we need to make a living to stay alive?
See, to stay alive, you don't need a lot of money. You need money, but not lot of money, right? To stay alive,
Right, sir.
right? How bread and butter कहते हैं ना. So for bread, you will have the money. For butter, maybe you may not have the money. Okay. So if you are skillful, No, I'm really surprised. If I know that I'm skillful, if I know that I'm capable, if I know I'm good at understanding the thing, I'm good at explaining the thing, I can handle new situations. A theoretical physicist or a theoretical chemist will have lot of capabilities. And it's not only that you know your equations. If you can do a good theory, if you are a good theoretician, then you can analyze the situations very well. And then
Right, sir.
you, right, and then you can find your ways, find your solutions of those new situations, new problems that you face. But that culture is not confined only for research papers on your study table. That culture will help you in leading the life in the society. If you have that much of skill, do you think you will be starved for food
Of course not.
and shelter? Don't worry about that. Don't worry. But if you start comparing with others, that that person has one house in Bombay, another house in Ernakulam, third house in London, then you may get frustrated. Okay.
Right,
So,
sir.
right. So don't worry. If you are a good theoretical, if you acquire skills to do good theory, if you can write a research paper in physics review letters, you can definitely earn a lot of money to survive at least.
Yes, sir. So I hope that clears her doubt about life and about earning and about following her passion as well.
Yeah.
So there will end the question answer session, and I hope all the queries of the audience have been cleared. And we are truly blessed to have you, Amista, sir.
Yeah.
I would like
Thank
to
you very much.
extend, yes,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
So I would love to extend our gratitude on behalf of Celesta IIT Patna for taking out your time and being with us here and inspiring and enlightening us on so many things about life, about physics, and staying intact on your goal. It was really an insightful session, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So here today we end the guest lecture session by H.C. Verma sir. It is a gentle reminder that in the evening we also have another guest lecture by Aline Tamir. So we request you to join that session as well. Till then, take care and goodbye.